In this tutorial, you'll learn how to build a modern loading button with Material 3 in Jetpack Compose using state management and a progress indicator. Open Android Studio. Design a gradient background. Add a Material 3 card layout. Create the header section. Add an icon, title and subtitle. Build a modern loading button. Manage loading state with Remember. Display a circular progress indicator. Disable the button while loading. Update button content dynamically. Run and preview the final UI. 3 logical tips. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next button components episode.